Hello, Collette travelers. My name is Frederik Mayet. I'm one of the two persons portraying Jesus in the world-famous Passion Play here in Oberammergau. We are right here now in the Passion Play theater on stage. Unfortunately, we had to postpone the Passion Play 2020 to 2022, of course, due to the fact that we have also the Corona virus here in Germany. It was a really sad moment when the government said it's not possible to have the Passion Play this year in the theater, but of course it's the right decision, because the most important is that everyone is safe, that the participants in the Passion Play stay safe, and of course also you, the guests we would have had here in Oberammergau in this year. And so we're really looking forward to 2022, and everyone is happy that we will have a Passion Play in 2 years, and we hope that everyone who has booked this year hopefully will come in 2 years and see our play and what we were rehearsing in the last weeks and months. And perhaps there's also someone who hasn't booked yet, and we would like to welcome you here in Oberammergau in 2 years, and we really hope that you stay safe, and hope to see you in 2 years. All the best from Oberammergau. Bye.